So I've been on a journey to find out what the best trick is and which one you should master. And I think I found that out today. And for the trick to be considered the best trick, it needs to have at least these 3 factors. 1, it has to just look good because, if it doesn't look good, then why do it? 2nd is it needs to improve the shot in some way. So it needs to add to it, or it needs to add some certain aspect. 3rd, it needs to be easy to master and a trick that's so universal that you can use it almost anywhere. And it's called a split S. And yeah, you've probably heard this before. A split S, what's so cool about it? Well, a split S sounds pretty boring. You've probably heard this before, but if you actually look at it, it's deeper than that. Because the deeper you dive into mastering the split S, you can learn how it works, you can do it for any shot, and it really adds the FPV perspective and a different perspective to your shot. It doesn't look like a DJI drone, but it's not over the top like some other tricks. And that's why I think the split S is my favorite. Because then you have other variations. For example, you can fly and do these other variations that just look really good. I've been flying this for a while, and I just wanted to share this with you. Because hopefully now you can focus on those simple but powerful tricks and improve your skills even faster. Hopefully now, once you start to learn and dive deeper into the basics, you can start to learn how they really impact your footage and how it can take you to the next level. Now, what do you think about the new microphone stand? I think it's pretty sweet.